Hi there, it's Stephanie here, and today I want to show you the difference between having a wig that is rooted and then having a wig that is all one color. And I'm going to be using two wigs from a company called imwigs. Now, I already did a review on the imwigs lovely wig, and I'll link that above. But I want to show you for two almost identical wigs, just what a difference rooted versus unrooted can make when you're buying either a hair topper or a wig. So let's take a look here. All right, so these are both synthetic wigs from imwigs, and one is rooted and one is not. They're both 18 inches in length, and they're both 150% in density. They both have sweeping bangs. I'm going to try each one on, and you can see which one you think would work better for you, or which one you think just looks nicer in general. All right, so here is the imwig lovely, and it is it's not rooted. So if you take a look here, you can just see that the color that starts from the roots to the color that comes down here, there's no rooting, and it's I mean, yes, there are some highlights, but it's all mostly one color. I'll just do a little turn for you here and a little turn for you over here. Now let's take a look at the difference that rooting makes on a very similar style wig. Okay, so now we have another imwigs wig on, but this one is rooted. So we have the blonde here on the sides and the bottom, but as we go into the top, it's slightly different color. So it almost looks like your real hair is growing out, and then this is the part that you had dyed. Now, for me, and I've been wearing toppers and wigs for a while now. I personally, at first when I saw rooted products, I was very weary, because I'm like, why would I be paying money to look like I have roots that are growing out? Why wouldn't I want the whole wig or the whole topper one color? What I realized though, and I'm not trying to sway anyone's opinion, but this is just my personal opinion, is that when you have a rooted topper or wig, it makes it look a little bit more realistic. And the reason for that is that it looks like, oh, you dyed your hair and now your natural hair is growing out. And so it definitely creates the illusion that it's your own hair, because because it's a very natural thing for women to dye their hair, and then it starts to grow out and you see that rooted color. Or even for a lot of women, they will have they may have all brown hair, they may have all blonde hair, but their roots are slightly darker than the hair that makes its way here, because a lot of times all of this length hair has been lightened by the sun over the years. So rooted for me looks more realistic, but it's just a good comparison for you if you're thinking about purchasing a rooted wig or a rooted topper versus an unrooted one, which one you think will look more realistic. So for me, I go with option 2, but you may think option 1 is better. If you like this video, and if you want to continue to go on my journey as I review toppers and wigs and anything related to hair loss and the treatments that I'm currently working with right now, please subscribe, and you'll learn along with me. Thanks, and have a great day.